Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this bento Victoria sponge cake. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I have the butter and the sugar in the bowl. You see the butter is nice and soft, which is easy to mix. Okay, so I'm going to mix this together. And mix. And then finally add in my flour and mix it in. For this part, I fold it in with a spatula. I don't use a whisk. So the mixture is nice and smooth and creamy. Now I'm going to put this in my already prepared cake tin. I've already lined it with greaseproof paper and buttered and floured the sides. Level it with a knife. Now this is ready to go in the oven until it's nice and golden brown and risen and well baked through. Okay, the Victoria sponge cake is now ready. I'm going to get it out of the tin. I've left it in the tin for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip it and get it out of the tray. Okay, if it's not coming out like that, I'll show you what to do. You may need to loosen the edges because sometimes it can get stuck here. Just use a spatula. Just loosen gently. It doesn't need much. Just making sure. Okay. And flip it again. Yeah, it's coming out like that. And then you peel off the greaseproof paper and leave it to cool completely. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.